We are on our way to Trinidad.
No quiere que vaya su mamá. Ajá. Para que tome leche. Ajá. Está cansado por delante con ella.
This is the end of day one. Now it's time to sleep with the rig in the back of the truck. The mosquitoes.
Pursues me with his love. Haunts me with each hearing. Spirits ever longing for his grace in which to stand.
Crossing the Memory River.
Son of God, son of man. Is this king of angels? Oh, blessed Prince of Peace. Feeling things in
Hey, pig.
We are going to cross the second river now. We are loaded onto the second boat. Little boats pull the big ones here.
Son of God, son of man. His name is Jesus, precious Jesus. Sweet Lord of mine, still of my heart.
Pulled over to check out this alligator. That was kind of cool. This brings day 2 of driving to a close.
Is this King of glory, armed with strength and majesty,
Crossing the Beni River from Rure to San Bueno.
are the gracious King.
Hey, there's David on top of the rig going across the Beni River to meet us in San
Lord
Bueno.
of earth and heaven, the creator of all things. Who is this King of glory? Everything we need. His name is Jesus, precious
There's Exiamas, Bolivia, but we still have about 1 hour further to go north of this town.